Today, Tom decided to visit his friends who work in different public places in his city. He's really missed them and wonders what their workplaces look like. So Tom is meeting Joe, who works in a huge park. Joe takes care of the plants and mows the lawns. Look, Joe is waving to his friend. Joe tells Tom that the park is very old and once belonged to the church, but then King Henry VIII took it from the church and made it his hunting reserve. Now this is one of the oldest parks in London, and the entrance here is free for everyone. Tom and Joe had a walk around the park, but Tom has to go now. He's promised to visit his friend Sue, who is a swimming instructor. She is going to teach him how to swim in the butterfly style. It would be nice to swim in the pool now, to cool off in such hot weather. That's a very good idea. Tom is getting closer and closer to the impressive swimming pool. This modern outdoor swimming pool is in 25-minute walk from Holborn Underground Station. You can come here every day and have a great time. Tom has already put on his swimming costume and is marching through the Oasis Sports Centre with his friend Sue. The swimming training will do Tom a lot of good. But Tom is really exhausted. Are there any places to eat? Yes, of course. Tom makes up his mind to drop in on his aunt. She is a cook at a local cafe. She makes delicious sandwiches, and it's always nice to chat with her. Tom wants to visit some other places, but he is too tired to go anywhere. He's on his way home. What other places do you think we could visit in town? Here are some words and expressions to help us talk about places to go in town. Learn these words: swimming pool, aquarium, restaurant, theatre, a park, department store, stadium, zoo, library, gallery, fast food restaurant, gym, cinema, sports centre. If you know these words, you can easily describe your area.